Testing, 1, 2, 3. So, here we go. First and foremost, I just want to say, before I get started, I want to give all praise and glory to my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ for allowing me to see this day. And I just pray that your family and your friends and your co-workers and everyone around the world, their families are safe. And if you're in the process of healing, I just pray that you are in the process of healing. So with that being said, I don't have notes. I don't have any notes I want to share. I just want to speak from the heart right now to all my brothers and sisters out there. You know, this coronavirus thing that's going on is crazy. Let's just keep it real, right? It's crazy. At the same time, we need to take personal responsibility. Now, I'm not saying that to slight what's happening to families across the world who are dying, who are sick right now in the hospital. What I am saying, though, is that we have to realize something. People that are dying from this COVID type situation in our communities, they're dying because they have underlying issues, whether it's high blood pressure, diabetes, obesity, asthma. All those things are factors, and people of color dying. So I say that to say this. We need to take responsibility. We need to take responsibility for our health. Not the government, not your neighbor, not your job. We need to take personal responsibility. Now, what do I mean when I say that? What I mean is we need to eat healthy. And when I mean eat healthy, I mean we need to be drinking at least a gallon of water a day. We should be drinking a minimum of a gallon of water a day. And I did a video a few weeks back, maybe 3 or 4 weeks back, where you take your weight and you divide it by 2, and that's how much water you should drink on a daily basis. You should be taking 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar per day, right? Number 3, you need to make sure you're drinking, you're getting plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables. That means, pears, apples, berries, cherries, all the bright colors, right? That means we should be eating green leafy vegetables, kale, spinach, mixed greens, all that. Avocado is a fruit. That's eating avocado, right? We need to be making sure, I know it's a crazy time, but we need to be making sure we're getting exercise. We need to be making sure that we're exercising. And it doesn't mean we have to go and bench press 500 pounds. That means get out, put on your walking shoes or your street sneakers or whatever, and go for a short walk. Make sure you cover up your face. You know what I'm saying? Go out and exercise. Do some stretching. Do some breathing. Pray before you go out. Ask the Lord for giving you wisdom on how to take care of your body. Because we only get one. We only get one shot at life, right? And most importantly, making sure you get plenty of sleep. Make sure you get plenty of sleep. Listen, there's no reason in this day and age that we as a people should be dying. It's one thing you get, there's an accident happens, somebody gets, God forbid, somebody gets killed in a car accident or somebody gets into some kind of accident and they die. But to be dying from diseases and to be dying from things that happen, and you hear what the experts are saying, is that the number one causes of this COVID, people dying from this COVID, is that they have high blood pressure or some kind of underlying issue. They have obesity, they have diabetes, they have asthma, all those things. And a lot of that stuff is happening in our communities. Okay? So what I'm sharing with you, this is from the heart. I don't have anything written down. I'm just sharing from the heart. And I would appreciate if you guys would share this video. I would appreciate if you guys would take heed to this. Because as I shared in a video a couple of days ago about going plant-based and shredding over 40 pounds, and I'm still in the process of shredding more weight, okay? Understanding this, right? When we take care of ourselves, that puts us in a better position and you talk about an immune system, having a strong immune system. That's how we have a strong immune system, because when our immune system is weak, that's when stuff comes in. Now, am I saying that these things are going to stop us from getting sick? No, I'm not saying that. However, what I'm saying is, if you want to bulletproof and combat all of these things that are happening right now, we need to be putting the proper foods in our bodies. Period. There's no way around it. And I'm not telling you got to stop eating meat. I'm not telling you got to stop eating fish. I'm not telling you that. What I'm saying to you is you want to boost your immune system. You got to go right to the heart of the root of the issue. Is people in the African American and brown communities are dying 50% more than everybody else. That's a problem. Listen, it's a problem if anybody's dying. But when you talk about 50% of the time, and there's a whole lot of factors involved, you know, economically, social, all those things. But at the end of the day, and this is what I was thinking about all day today as I'm recording this, what I was thinking about is, listen, if you go to the store and you buy some fresh fruits and vegetables, do this. I challenge you to do this. And I'm going to start doing this tomorrow. Today is the 17th of April 2020. Starting tomorrow, I'm going to go, and I encourage you to do the same thing. When you go to the store and you go to get your fruits and vegetables, whatever you're going to get, make sure you cover your face and all that, right? Get you an extra bag of fruits or vegetables for somebody and give it away. Give it to somebody that can't get out. Give it to somebody that needs it. Go into the hood. Go to somewhere that you know somebody, that you know of somebody, and say, listen, I got some fresh fruits and fresh vegetables for you. Because guess what? A lot of people are not getting that. And I'm going to tell you this last thing, and I'm going to let you guys go. There's a lot of places like Dollar Tree or Dollar General, especially Dollar Tree. You can go in there and get, for $1, a bag of frozen fruit. You can go in there and get a bag of frozen vegetables. And you can take those, blend them up with some almond milk or some rice milk or some soy milk. You can blend that stuff up, maybe add a little, if you have it on hand, you can add a little bit of some date sugar or add some dates to it or add some raisins to it to sweeten it up. Get some unsweetened almond milk or some kind of oat milk or whatever. Now, if you're allergic to some kind of the oats, or if you're allergic to nuts or whatever like that, get you some soy milk or get you some coconut milk. Okay? Blend that stuff up and start drinking that. At least a gallon of water. Take your weight, whatever it is. So if you weigh 200 pounds, divide that by 2, you should drink 100 ounces of water per day. Make sure you drink, as we recap, make sure you drink a minimum of half your body weight. So if you are 200 pounds, drink 100 ounces of water, right? 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. Okay? Make sure you get fruits and vegetables. Make sure you drink. Stay away from the sugary drinks. Stay away from all the added sugar drinks. If you're going to eat something with some sugar in it, get you an apple. Get you some fresh pineapple, some peaches. Like I said, go to the Dollar Tree and you can get mango, you can get berries. Those are all frozen. You can get berries, cherries, strawberries. They got the mixture where they have, believe bananas, papaya, all that stuff in it. Mix that up. Get some frozen spinach or some frozen broccoli or some, frozen stuff. Mix it together. If you can't get out, and like I said, I challenge each and every one of you as we wrap up here. When you go out to go shop and get some food, get you one bag or one item for somebody else. You don't even know who the person is. And then go bless somebody with that. Go and bless somebody in your community with that. And that will ensure that we're helping our neighbor to get the kind of things that they need. So that's my time today. Make sure you click the link below, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys on Instagram. I want to thank you guys on Facebook. I want to thank you guys on YouTube for watching this. And guys, we love you guys. We love you. Make sure you share this. And again, God loves you. I love you. You guys are awesome. Thank you for your support. And we appreciate you guys. And remember, just go back and watch this. Take notes. I'm just speaking from the heart. I'm speaking from the heart. I don't have anything written down. I'm speaking from the heart. That's why I'm sitting down. I'm just speaking to you one-on-one to the heart, from the heart. Okay? Because like I share with you, and I'm going to wrap up here. August of 2018, I was 295, 290. And if you go back and you look at the video that I posted on YouTube a couple of days ago about plant-based weight loss, I was 290, unhappy, knees, back, everything was hurting. And I made a decision. I did a 3-day water fast. That was the first thing, a 3-day water fast. Then I went on an intermediate fast. After that, I ate for 8 hours and then fasted for 16. I did that for a couple of weeks. And then I started gradually, going back eating 8 hours, eating within an 8-hour period. Fruit, then, eat fresh fruits and vegetables as much as you can. Drink water. Stay away from sugary drinks. Stay away from added sugar. And then boom, you fast forward to now. I shredded over 50 pounds and I gained a few pounds back, okay? However, what I'm sharing with you is that I'm healthier now than I was in August of 2018. I don't have any high blood pressure. I don't have any diabetes, thank God. I don't have any heart disease, any of those things. I'm not taking any medication, okay? Blood pressure stellar. All my levels are stellar. So guys, I encourage you, don't make excuses. Whatever you can do. If you have a neighbor that has a car, hey, listen, could you go and pick me up some fresh fruits and vegetables? Whether it's, make sure you get green leafy vegetables, get fresh fruits, bananas, pears, apples, grapes, whatever you can get. Bananas, I said bananas, mango, you can get it frozen at the dollar store. Listen, guys. This is an all-out war on taking back our lives, because this is God's plan. For one thing, for us to get for Him to get our attention. Am I saying that right?
Yes.
For Him to get our attention.
Correct.
Right, and then on top of that, for us to really understand that when you sit and you're with your family, that's precious. And if you've lost family members, I'm so sorry that you lost family members. We're praying for those of you that have lost family members. We're praying for those who may be sick right now. And we're praying that no one else gets sick. I encourage you to go out and take action with this. Okay, guys? So once again, hit the link below. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. I want to thank you guys on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You guys are awesome. God bless you guys. Until tomorrow, I'm George Duarte from George's Live Cooking Show. Chef George out. Fired up.